Hello students, good morning to everyone. Welcome to maths class. Last classes we learned about the rationalization, how to find out the square root, how to find out the cube root we learned. Understood? Last classes in surds we discussed about the pure surd, mixed surd, compound surd, binomial surd. Next rationalization, what is rationalizing factor, conjugate of the surd, how to find out, how to rationalize the surd, numerator as well as a denominator. And next thing is we learned about square roots, how to find out the square root. And then cube root also we learned. Okay, now here I am going to discuss now how to find out the fourth root of a surd. How to find out the fourth root of a surd. Fourth root of a surd means order 4. Fourth root of a plus something it is. Surd is there, root b is there. Fourth root of surd means order 4 surd. Fourth root can be written as a square of square. Can I write like this? Because here fourth root of a is nothing but a power 1 by 4. This I write as a power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Can I write like this? Now a power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. A power 1 by 2 means square root of a whole power 1 by 2. That is equal to root of, again this one root of root a. Okay, square root of fourth root of a can be written as a square root of a. Order 4 only. Here also order 4 only. Here also order 4 only. Because I don't have a direct procedure to find out this fourth root of fourth order surd. So fourth root I don't have any option here. So I split that one as a square root of a. Square root of a. Understood? How I wrote here? Fourth root of a is nothing but a power 1 by 4, that is equal to a power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 we can write using the exponent concept. So this is a square root of a whole power 1 by 2. Again 1 by 2 is square root of a. Okay. So using this concept, now I am going to discuss about the fourth root of given surd. The question is find the fourth root of Find the fourth root of 56 minus 24 root 5. 24 root 5. Find the fourth root of 56 minus 24 root 5. Now see here. This is what we have to find out here. Fourth root of 56 minus 24 root 5. Direct I don't have a procedure to find out the fourth root of a surd. So this I will write this one as a square root of 56 minus 24 root 5. Why I am writing square root? Because I know the procedure how to find out the square root of a surd. Already we learned this one in two methods. One procedure, one is another alternate method, shortcut method also we learned. Now, one is how to find out the square root of a surd a plus 2 into root b. Then we can split this radicand as a factors of x into y such that x plus y is equal to this radicand a. Then only you have a procedure, direct shortcut method. Here, to make here, to get this one, I need here 2 as a rational factor. 2 as a rational factor. But what we have here? 24 is there. Except to whatever the rest of the values there sent inside. So this is this I write as a square root of 56 minus 2 into 12 into root 5. Because I know the procedure how to find out the square root by in a different shortcut method, alternate method. Alternate method I am going to apply here. So square root of 56 minus 24 root 5. What I know that then? A plus 2 into root b, either a plus or a minus, whatever it is. So b radicand factors are x into y, x plus y is equal to a, then it is applicable. So to get the square root here, I need inside a rational factor as a 2. But here what they given here, rational factor as a 24. Sir, you said fourth root no sir. Now we are going to find out the square root. Because fourth root I wrote as a square root of 56 minus 24 into root 5. Okay, fourth root I wrote as a square root of 56 minus 24 into root 5. So here I am going to apply a square root of inside simplification I am doing here now. I am doing the simplification of inside here. Now 56 minus 24 root 5 I am writing as a square root a plus 2 into root b form. To get that one 2 as a rational factor, 24 I am writing as a 2 into 12. 2 into 12 into root 5. That is equal to square root of 56 minus 2 into 12 take inside 12 square it is into 5. 12 square into 5. That is equal to square root of 56 minus 2 into 144 5s. This is 12 square means 144 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 22, 12 is 720. 720. Now 720 factors I am writing as a 36 into 20 I write. 36 20s are 36 2s are 72. 0 is there, no 0 I wrote. 36 into 20. 36 20s are 720. 36 20s are 720. Now this I write as a square root of. Now root 36. Since here minus is there, minus root 20. Bigger value first and then smaller value. This is equal to square root of 36 can be done as 6 because the square root of 36 means 6 square. Root square cancel minus root 20. Now root 20. But if I have in this form, then I can apply the square root condition here. Now I am writing in this form 6 minus 2 into root 5 I write. 20 can be done as 4 5s are 20. 4 if you take outside, 2 into root 5. Okay. Now it is in the form of a plus or minus 2 into root b. Now again factors of 5 take 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 6. So root 5 minus is there no here minus root 1. That is equal to root 5 minus 1. Root 5 minus 1. See here once again I am repeating. Fourth root of 56 minus 24 into root 5. To find out the fourth root, I don't have a direct procedure. So fourth root I am writing as a square root of 56 minus 24 root 5. First inside this simplification, I am going to simplify this one. While simplifying here, to find out the square root, we require here 2 as a rational factor. But here 24 is there. So 2 as a rational factor means 24 I wrote as a 2 into 12 into root 5. Now root of 56 minus 2 into 12 square 144 into 5. Root of 56 minus 2 into 720. 720 factors are 36 20s are 720. 36 plus 20 56 you are getting. So root 36 minus root 20 we can write. Now root 36 is nothing but a 6 minus root 20. Already here square root is there. Again to apply this square root I need in this form a plus 2 plus or minus 2 into root b. So 20 I wrote as a 2 root 5 I wrote. So square root of 6 minus 2 into root 5. Now 5 factors 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 6. So exist here. Square root of 5 minus square root of 1. That is equal to square root of 5 minus root 1 is nothing but a 1. Please write down. Okay, in this way, another question, one more question I will explain. Understood? Concept. Next one, next problem. Next question. Find the fourth root of 28 minus 16 root 3. 28 minus 16 root 3. So same procedure. What I did previous, same only. Fourth root of 28 minus 16 root 3. Direct, since I don't have a direct procedure, I am writing this fourth root as a square root of square root. Again, double 2 times I am finding the square root. Square root of 28 minus 16 root 3. Now I converted fourth root into square root I wrote. Square root and square root. So here to find out, to apply the square root, I need in this form a plus or minus 2 into root b, means 2 as a rational factor. But here 16 is there. So root of square root of 28 minus 2 into 2 8 are 16. 16 means 2 8 are. Okay. Now 8 if you take inside, 8 square into 3. 8 square into 3. This is equal to square root of 28 minus 2 into 64. 64 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 8 square means not 8 2s are 8 into 8. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. 192. 192. Now factorize this one. 192 factors write down. 2 9s are 18. 2 6s are 12. Again 2 48 jars, 2 24 jars, 2 12 jars, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 12. 16 12 jars, 192, 16 plus 12, 28. So this can be done as 16 into 12, 16 into 12. Now that is equal to root 16 minus root 12. Root 16 minus root 12. Square root of root 16 is nothing but a 4. 4 minus root 12. Again, square root of 4 minus root 12 I write as a 4 3s are 12. 4 take outside. Then 4 minus 2 into root 3. Again I made in this form only. A plus or minus 2 into root 3. Again factors of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. So square root of 3, since here minus. Square root of 1, that is equal to root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. They given fourth root of 28 minus 16 root 3. Since I don't have a fourth root direct procedure, I wrote as a square root of 28 minus 16 root 3. That is a square root of 28 minus 16 I wrote as a 2 into root of 8 square into 3. That is a 28 square root of 28 minus 2 into 8 square means 64 3s are 192. Now 192 factors are 16 12s are 192. 16 plus 12 28. So square root of root 16 minus root 12. That is a root 16 means 4 minus root 12 square root of 4 minus 4 3s are 12. 4 take outside, 2 into root 3. That is a square root of 4 minus 2 root 3 means root 3 factors. 3 factors are 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. So root 3 minus root 1. Please write down. In the same way, 2 more problems are there. Please try them. Yes, next problem. Find the fourth root of 98 plus 132 into root 2. Find the square root of 98 plus 132 into square root 2. To find out here, fourth root of 98 plus 132 into root 2 I need to find out. Since I don't have a fourth root direct procedure, so this fourth root I write as a square root I write. Square root of 98 98 only here. Sorry, 193 it is. Correction, 193 problem. Please correct this one. 193 problem is 193. 193 plus 132 root 2. 193 plus 132 into root 2. Please correct this question. Find the fourth root of 193 plus 132 into root 2. So 193 plus 132 root 2, fourth root I am going to find out. To find out the fourth root, since I don't have a procedure, derivative procedure, so fourth root I will write as a square root of square root. Square root of 193 plus 132 into root 2. Now I converted fourth root as a square root of square root. To apply the square root, I must get this in the form of a plus 2 into root b, means 2 as a rational factor, then only I can apply the shortcut method. So square root of 193 plus 2 into 66, I think, into root 2. 66 2s are 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 132. Now square root of 193 plus 2 into the 66 take inside 66 square into 2. Now this is equal to square root of 193 plus 2 into 66 6 are 36, 66 into 66, 36 396 6 15 10 13 4 into 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 11 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7, 2 4 are 8, 8712. 8712. Now I must make as a factors 8712. Since I took 66 inside, that means 66 is divisible by 11 now. 66 is divisible by 11. So this total product also divisible by 11. Check with 11 table. 11 7 are 77. 10 101. 11 9 are 99. 101 minus 99 is 2. 2 and 22. 11 2s are 22. That means one more time you make it. 11 7 are 77. 7 2. Sorry, 2 2. 11 2s are 22. Now 11 11s are 121 into 72 value is 8712. Now 121 plus 72, 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 2 9, 1. So 193. That means this can be written as 121 into 72. 121 into 72 we can write. 121 into 72. 121 plus 72 is equal to 193. 121 plus 72 is equal to 193. So square root of 121, since here plus, so result in this one also result is plus only root 72. That is equal to root of 121 is 11 square. So 11 plus root 72 can be written as a, now root of 4 into 4 1s are 4, 4 8 plus 18 4s are 72. Now 4 take outside 11 plus 2 into root 18. 2 into root 18. Now factorize this 18. 9 2s are 18. 9 plus 2 11. So this value is result is root 9 plus root 2. Root 9 is nothing but a 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2. Here little bit calculations are mixed up. So be careful here. Okay, this logic if you get how to solve, easily you can solve this one. Square roots only. In fourth root also I applied a square root only. No other method I applied. Okay, please write down. Okay, root of, find fourth root of 193 plus 132 root 2 is fourth root of 193 plus 132 into root 2. Now I am simplifying fourth root of can written as a root of square root of 193 plus 132 into root 2. Now 132 I wrote as a 2 into 66. 66 into root 2. 66 take inside 66 square. So 193 plus 2 into root 66 square into 2. This total product is 8712. Once again check this one sir. Calculation. So 193 plus this value I wrote as 120 170 into us because 121 plus 72 is 193. So square root of 121 plus square root of 72. Square root of 11 plus 4 root of 4 into 18. 4 take outside 2 into root 18. 18 factors of 9 2 are 18. 9 plus 2 11. So root 9 plus root 2. That is a 3 plus root 2. Okay. Next one. Next subjective problem set 6. Subjective problem set 5 completed. In that one fourth root also I explained. Fourth root also I explained. Now subjective problem set 6. That one first one is find the positive square root. Already we did this model. Positive square root of. The first question is 16 plus 2 into root 55. Simple question taken. After that you will have a different questions. 66 plus 2 root 55. Now I have to find out the square root of 16 plus 2 into root 55. Directly this is the form of a plus 2 into root b. Now root b factors I am finding. X into y, x plus y is equal to a. In this procedure I am doing. So 55 can be written as a 11 5s are 55. 11 plus 5 16. So direct its answer is root 11 plus root 5. Here plus is there, no plus. So root 11 is a third and root 5 also a third. We'll start the solution. Okay. Now second question is 3 plus root 5. Second question is find the square root of 3 plus root 5. So listen carefully here. I have to find out 3 plus root 5. What is that procedure you learned? How to find out the square root of a third which is in the form of a plus 2 into root b. A plus 2 into root b. Is this one is in a plus 2 into root b? I don't have a 2 as a rational factor. 2 as a rational factor. To take 2 as a rational factor, I can't simplify this 5 also in terms of 4 or anything. In terms of 4 or anything, I can't simplify this. Okay. So this root 5, I can't write as a product of force to take 2 as a common. Okay. And I don't have a 2 as a rational factor. Whenever you don't have a rational factor as a 2, then this whole third inside multiply and divide by 2. Means here nothing is there means 1. Nothing is there means 1. I am going to make in the form of a plus 2 into root b. So this is equal to root of 2 into 3 plus root 5 by 2. 2 cancel. Again as it is question you will get. Okay, as it is given question you will get. Understood? I know the procedure how to find out the square root of a third when it is in the form of a plus 2 into root b. A plus 2 into root b. But here this is not in the form of a plus 2 into root b. Previous questions also same we did. But in those questions inside this root I got 2 as a rational factor by taking 4 as a common factor. I wrote as I slitted this one as in terms of 2 into root b form I wrote. To take 2 as to make 2 as a rational factor, I can't simplify more this 5 because 5 is already a prime number. 5 is already a prime number. When you don't have that option, then this total I am writing as a by 1. Whether 2 or 2 by 1. Both are same only, no? So 3 plus root 5 by 1. To get to 2 as a rational factor, multiply this whole numerator with 2. Again, divide with 2 also. Because if you multiply, you must divide. To balance that third given question. Because 2 get cancelled, again 3 plus root 5 only left. So root of 2 3s are 6 plus 2 into root 5 by 2. 2 into root 5 by 2. Now I will write this one as a square root of 6 plus 2 into root 5 by root 2. Just root a by b third radical. Loss of radical. Root a by root b form I am writing. Root a by root b form I am writing. Now it is in the form of a plus 2 into root b. Now 5 factors are 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 6. So this can be written as a root 5 plus root 1 by root 2. Because root 5 can be written as a 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Rough work it is. So that is equal to root 5 plus 1 by root 2. Please write down. Be careful for this one. Since the 2 rational factor not there, so I multiplied and divided by 2. Okay, I multiplied and divided by 2. If you multiply and divide, that makes no difference in the question. Given question will not change. Only if you multiply, if you don't divide, question will change. Given question is different and you are solving of this question is different. So to make them balance that question, so multiply 2 and divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 into root 5. Now I got in the form of a plus 2 into root b form by 2. Now after that radical, loss of radical I am root a by root b. Root of 6 plus 2 into root 5 by root 2. Again numerator square root I am finding. 5 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So root 5 plus root 1 by root 2. That is equal to root 5 plus 1 by root 2. Please write down. Okay. Understood? Shall I write? Next, third question. Third one is 4 minus root 7. 4 minus root 7. Now what I have to find out? Square root of 4 minus root 7. Since 7 is a rational prime number and 7 I can't write as a 2 into root b form because 7 is a prime number now. So in that case I am going to multiply 2 to the numerator by 2 to the denominator. Means 2 by 2 I multiplied. I multiplied 2 by 2. So this is equal to root of 4 2 4s are 8 minus 2 into root 7 2 root 7 by 2 1s are 2. Now split this one numerator 8 minus 2 into root 7 by root 2 by root 2. Now factorize it is 7 1 7 7 plus 1 8. So root 7, since here minus is there, minus root 1. Sir, don't consider this minus. Minus while writing simplification, while writing solution only. 7 plus 1 only. Sir, here minus is there, 7 minus 1 I check. Don't check that one in that way. Only this is only x into y, x plus y is equal to a. Then only it is existed. Root 7 minus root 1 by root 2. Root 7 minus root 1 is 1 by root 2. Root 2. There is no more simplification here. Okay? Write down. Square root of 4 minus root 7 while finding that Since 2 rational factor I don't have, so I multiplied 2 and divided by 2. 2 into 4 minus root 7 by 2 into 1 root of 8 minus 2 root 7 by 2. Now split these radicals. Root 8 minus 2 root 7 by root 2. That is a root 8 minus 2 root 7. Again square root form I applied. Simplification. 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 8. So root 7 minus root 1 by root 2. Root 7 minus root 1 is nothing but a 1 by root 2. Okay. Next question. Simplify square root of 2 plus root 5 minus square root of 6 minus 3 root 5 plus square root of 14 minus 6 root 5. Square root of 6 minus square root of 2 plus root 5 minus square root of 6 minus 3 root 5 plus 14 minus 6 root 5. There is a little bit correction here. Square root, not 6, square root of this whole square root. 6 minus 3 root 5 plus 14. Square root of 14 minus 6 root 5. First of all, while simplifying this question, you need to simplify first this part, next this one. First this square root I have to simplify. After that this square root. After that finally this one. Finally this one. So what I have to simplify here? 2 plus root 5 minus square root of 6 minus 3 root 5 plus square root of 14 minus 6 root 5 take away. To find out the square root, I know the procedure a plus 2 into root b form only. A plus 2 into root b, 2 as a rational factor. But first I have to simplify this square root. To simplify that, here I don't have a 2 as a rational factor. So root of 2 plus root 5 minus square root of 6 minus 3 root 5 plus root of 14 minus 2 into this 6 can be as 2 into 3 into root 5. 2 3s are 6. 3 take inside. That is equal to root of 2 plus root 5 minus root of square root of 6 minus 3 root 5 plus of root 14 minus 2 into 3 square is 9. 9 5 is 45. 9 5 is 45. 3 if you take inside 3 square. 3 if you take inside 3 square it is. 3 square is 9. 9 into 5 already there. 9 5 is 45. Now 9 5 is 45 means 9 into 5 is 45. 9 plus 5 14. So this I can simplify now. So this is equal to root of 2 plus root 5 minus of square root of 6 minus 3 root 5 plus of this is plus is there. So bracket write down root 9 plus root 5. Plus is there now. Binomial term always write brackets. That is equal to root of now 2 plus root 5 minus square root of 6 minus 3 root 5 plus root 9 means 3 plus root plus into plus here minus is there sir, minus is there here. Sorry, there is a correction. This is minus is there no, here also minus is there. 9 plus 5 14 correct only, but here minus is there, minus is there. Plus and minus root 5. Now if I simplify this, what I get here? Root of 2 plus root 5 minus of root of 16 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 minus 3 root 5 minus 1 root 5 minus 4 root 5. This is equal to root of
2 plus root 5 minus of root 9 minus 2 into 2 take inside 10 square. 2 square. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Again here 5 4s are 20. 5 plus 4 9. So root of 2 plus root 5 minus, see, since here minus is there, here compulsory bracket required. Here whether you write or not, no issue, because plus is there, positive no. So this is root 5, here minus no, minus root 4. Minus root 4. Now open this one. 2 plus root 5 minus into plus, minus root 5 minus into minus plus root 4 means 2. Now root 5 cancel. 2 plus 2 is 4. Root 4 is equal to 2 is final answer. 2 is your final answer. Please write down. Okay, square root of 2 plus root 5 minus square root of 6 minus 3 root 5 plus root 14 minus 6 root 5. First inside the square root simplify. 14 minus 6 root 5. If I simplify here, 14 minus 2 3s are 6, 3 take inside 3 square, 9 5s are 45. First this root only I am simplifying. I am writing as it is, this remaining parts. So root 9 minus root 5, that is a 3 minus root 5. Now 6 plus 3 9, 3 root 5 minus root 5 minus 4 root 5. Now 6 plus 3 9. 2 plus root 5 minus root of 9 minus 4 root 5 means 2 take outside and 2 take inside. 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 2s are 4 actually it is. This 1 2 take inside. 2 square it is 4. 4 5s are 20. Now 5 4s are 20 means 5 plus 4 9. 5 4s are 20. So root 5 here minus is there minus root 4. Since here minus is there, so right bracket. Now open the bracket. Minus into plus minus root 5 minus into minus plus root 4 is nothing but a 2. Root 5 get cancelled. 2 plus 2 4. Root 4 is nothing but a 2. Okay. This is your final answer. Next questions are find the geometric mean, which already I discussed in previous videos. Please go through with that one. Geometric mean means let us assume that one side is equal to A, another side is B. Geometric mean is always square root of AB. Square root of AB. Square root of product of those two sides. Okay. Example is find the geometric mean of root 5 minus root 2 and 11 root 5 plus 7 root 2 or something is there. 17 root 2 is there. How to find out here? A is equal to root 5 minus root 2. B is equal to 11 root 5 minus plus 17 root 2. Now geometric mean is equal to square root of AB. That is equal to square root of root 5 minus root 2 into 11 root 5 plus 17 root 2. Multiply these two. 11 5s are 55 minus plus 17 into 17 root 10 minus 11 root 10 root 5 into this whole term minus root 2 into this whole term minus into plus minus 17 2s are 34. That is equal to root 21 plus 6 root 10. Now here find out the square root. You will get the solution. This geometric mean concept already I discussed in square roots only. While finding the square roots only, I discussed this. In case if you have any doubts, I will discuss in next class. Thank you.